and today we'll be starting with a new topic, which is Hindi modal verbs, or you can also call them the auxiliary verb. So we'll be focusing on the verb called Sakna, okay, today in today's class. Now we'll try to conjugate it with in the present tense, right? So I'm gonna go back to our thing, and if you look at it, now I wrote only the base stem of the verb, which is bol, soch, dekh, sun, goon, ga, and lik. I removed na from all of those because that's how they are. And on the left hand side, you will see the commonly used pronouns, which is main, I, tum, which is you, semi-formal, tu, which is your informal, yeh, vah, this and that, okay, or he or she, and then hum, which is we, aap, you, a bit formal, we, it's they and those, okay, they. You have, if I have to make a sentence just for any other pronoun, it would be vah, which is he, sun sakta hai, or vah sun sakti hai. He can listen or she can listen. Okay? Let's say आप देख सकते हैं और आप देख सकती हैं. Okay, so if I have to make a longer sentence, that you can see that this person is lying. Okay, I have two sentences here. You can see that this person is lying, right? So आप देख सकते हैं, and I'm it's a conjunction कि this person is lying. यह आदमी झूठ बोल रहा है. Okay, to lie is झूठ बोलना. This person is lying. Okay, I just made up a big longer sentence just to kind of get you into the practice of it, right? But what I want you to do is practice making simple sentences with this table. Okay, you will get used to it. The main thing to remember on this one is how the verb is getting conjugated based on the pronoun. Okay, you will get a hang of it. It's not that hard. It's just like a present indefinite tense, right? So I want you to practice it, and I right now also will do small in-class exercise, but in general I want you to play around with it. So मैं अब देख सकता हूँ. ओके, आप हिंदी लिख सकती हैं. ब्यूटीफुल. आप घूम सकते हैं. ब्यूटीफुल. तुम नाच सकते हो. आप तैर सकते हैं. ब्यूटीफुल. मैं ट्रक नहीं चला सकती हूँ. ओके, मैं कहानी नहीं लिख सकती हूँ. ब्यूटीफुल. सो यू सेड हम देख सकते हैं. वी कैन सी. इफ यू वांट टू से वी कैन सी अ मूवी, हम मूवी देख सकते हैं, right? And if it is a group of girls, हम मूवी देख सकती हैं. And I'm going to ask all of you to exercise definitely on your own.